Today's episode is brought to you by IBG, a smart DeFi wealth management robo-advisor app that offers users a simple way to invest in DeFi and crypto. Hello everyone and welcome back to our 7th episode of our weekly crypto news roundup. I'm Mrs. Lilac and I'm joined with the blockchain expert Dr. Menon. Vin, how are you feeling this week?
I'm great, thank you Lilac. I'm so pumped up about this week. A lot of crazy things happening in the industry.
It isn't crypto if it isn't exciting. And this week, Elon Musk's tweet calling off Bitcoin just sent the price of Bitcoin down by more than 4%. This is by the same guy who just announced that his company, Tesla, would be accepting Bitcoin as payments for the Tesla cars just a few weeks ago.
Yes, that's true. Bitcoin is always been manipulated in a big way by a lot of whales around, whether it is institutions or high net worth individuals. But if you look at it, the prices came down 48,000 and settled around 55 to 58,000. So that shows that there is still a lot of demands which is generated in the industry, and I'm very hopeful about moving forward plans.
This to me just feels like Trump in 2015 all over again with the forex markets, with just one person tweeting sending the whole market moving. There is a lot of volatility, and it definitely isn't crypto if it isn't exciting. Fossil fuels are increasingly being used to mine Bitcoin, and this does pose as a perilous threat to our environment. But did you know that over 70% of Bitcoin mining is done from renewable energy and is still far less of a pollutant than fiat money and even gold? So it's not to say that one person tweeting and sending the price crashing is not irresponsible. But this is just my opinion.
Yes, true. The fossil fuels and the environment stories are absolutely correct. But when we are looking at Bitcoin mining and the hash rate associated with that, the kind of power consumption is much lower than many other major power consuming projects around. So it's practically impossible for any of us to believe that Bitcoin mining can be another environment hassle.
Now let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin, the original meme coin, is now already the 4th largest cryptocurrency in the world. I am still very perplexed by its whole existence, and compared to some real coins with some serious business backing, Dogecoin does seem like a joke sitting amongst the heavyweights in crypto. But jokes apart, Dogecoin's market value currently stands in more than $85 billion. It even hit its all-time high not too long ago with 69 cents per coin, and now it's down, of course, after the last SNL appearance by Elon, sending the price crashing with some of his comments, like being a hustle and not being a great gift on Mother's Day.
Yes, it's all manipulated and actively traded by a lot of whales around. And yes, that is how the speculation happens, and that is where it is supposed to be, because without speculators the market is not active at all. Now if you look at it, there were some statements out today which says that Elon Musk was involved in the development of Doge, some DIP protocol or some sort of things since 2019. So that means that he might be holding a big sum of Doge coins already before it was pumping up. But however, jokes apart, Dogecoin's market cap is still standing around $85 to $90 billion, which is much bigger than many of the banks around the world.
But have you heard that SpaceX has announced that it's now accepting Dogecoin as payments? Elon must be the most prominent supporter of Dogecoin, and this just seems like a wild ride with cryptocurrencies and Elon being a key influencer in the space.
Interesting news is Tesla mentioned that Tesla is not going to accept Bitcoin anymore. However, whatever reserve they have, they will be using it for transactions. But on the other side, SpaceX said that they are going to accept Dogecoin and Doge to the moon within next 1 year. So there are a lot of happenings around these big corporates, MNCs, and high net worth individuals interest towards cryptocurrencies.
Now let's talk about proof of stake coins. Proof of stake coins are now on the rise ever since Tesla decided to dump Bitcoin. And now the crypto market is more readily accepting environmentally friendly green coins like Polygon and Cardano. You can say that Elon's decision to drop Bitcoin due to environmental concerns is also driving this trend. And even Polygon has grown by more than 110% this year. The price of Cardano has also risen by 32% this last week alone. The market cap of Polygon stands at 10.1 billion, while Cardano stands at a massive 68 billion.
It seems like the crypto market is more readily accepting environment-friendly tokens or the coins like Polygons or Cardanos, and that is also following some sort of a trend from Musk and his environment-friendly policies. You can see that within a span of last 1 week, Polygon went up 100 over percentage, and at the same time Cardano went up around 30-40%. So this is just 1 week alone, and now Polygon is standing around 10 billion market cap, where Cardano is around 68 to 70 billion market cap. All these coins, environment friendly coins, are following Mr. Musk trend.
Now let's talk about everyone's favorite coin again. Other than Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has been another meme coin that's really exciting, and it's becoming on its way to becoming the next Dogecoin. The hype on Dogecoin is starting to die down a little bit with the last SNL appearance by Elon, and now Shiba Inu coins have a meteoric rise to their popularity as well. Its price has risen by more than 1700% in a short time, and whether it's Twitter, Reddit, Discord, or any other crypto forum, Shiba Inu was all that's being talked about right now. You never know when an insignificant coin starts growing up and a big name like Bitcoin starts crashing because of market sentiment.
Well, that's one more thing which I would like to highlight. All these meme coins like Dogecoin, there is one more called Akita In, and also another called Shiba In. All these coins are becoming more of a Dogecoin killer, and all of these penny coins or micro coins started growing very fast. Within a short span of time, the micro coins like Shiba Inu or Akita went up like 2000%. It's definitely a crazy time in the crypto world. You can see that a lot of market share from Bitcoin and Ethereum like prominent coins are moving out to Doge coins and Akitas and Shibs, etc. So yes, this is going to be a crazy time, and let's wait and watch.
I also feel like we need to talk about Matic coin, just like the Shiba Inu coin, a little bit more on DeFi and how coins with a little bit more serious business backing to it is starting to rise. I'm sure you've heard about Matic's transfer to Polygon, and now we call it Polygon. Polygon is just getting started. Its market cap is definitely being increased with several big names like Curve and Aave offering their support, and I think the price of Polygon may very well touch $2 by the end of this month as well.
Yes, of course, and I'm sure that you have heard about Matic's transformation to Polygon, and now we can call it Polygon, right?
There's already a 46% increase in Polygon's fully diluted market cap, and 52% of Polygon is currently in circulation, and this definitely indicates an upward trend. And based on these figures, I'm hopeful that the price of Polygon won't remain below $2 by the end of this week. It's great to see Polygon's founder raise money for COVID relief in India as well, with Vitalik Buterin contributing $1 billion to India. And this donation came in the form of Shiba Inu coins. It's both a great combination for publicity and charity. It's really interesting in crypto, and I'm thrilled by all these developments. I can't wait to see what's happening in the next coming week.
I think that's very likely a scenario, and several experts have already predicted that Polygon is going to be a 46% increase in a fully diluted market cap within the short span of time. And the fact that 52% of Polygon is already circulating supply, that shows that the upward trend is supposed to be there for long. On top of that, the founder of Polygon, who is actively supporting COVID relief activities in India, and moreover Vitalik contributing more than 1 billion worth of Shiba coin to these initiatives. This is absolutely huge stuff. This provides a lot of global attention towards India.
And on that note, I think it's time for us to wind up this episode of Crypto News Roundup. I'm Mrs. Lilac, and I'm joined with Dr. Vin Menon. I'm signing off from Crypto News Roundup, and I can't wait to see you guys again next week.
That's when the colors started to change.